Alright, working on a quick little project. As we've been talking about seeds and planting the garden, needing garden soil, we have a whole bunch of starter trays, and our woods are filled with all kinds of really rich, great soil in areas that need to be cleaned out anyway. So we're going to buy some potting mix or some starter mix anyway. But what we wanted to do, and this is something I learned years ago when we lived in Arizona when I was a teenager, I think probably a junior in high school. We went to an archaeological dig of the Hohokam Indians, and we helped. They were excavating an area that was about to have apartments built on them. Progress, right? But they had a big filter, sifter, and you know, any dirt you would scrape in, and you know, they would find all kinds of arrowheads and all kinds of different things. But some screen that got dug up out of the numerous messes that we've got out here on the property, and boards, lo and behold, from the old greenhouse. So I'm going to piece together a quick sifter. Should fit right over the wheelbarrow, and we can grab some of that soil and sift out and see what we get. I mean, you know, 20-minute investment in time, but figure it's worth a try, right? So I've already cut the boards to match the screen with a little bit of a lip underneath, and cut some corner pieces. So I'm going to put this together now. In no particular order, other than to make sure that I've got the same same sides, same ends. Actually, as I spoke about in another video, when I was building the compost bins and screws, rubbing your hair, just that little bit of oil that's in your hair will help these go in if you don't have a bar of soap handy. No, but it'll work for now, and it's all scrap. It took me, what, 20 minutes, half an hour maybe? Let's see if it fits on the wheelbarrow. Beautiful. Throw that dirt on there. Nice. Feels good to get at least one project done. I don't have all the materials to finish the chicken coop, so I've got to get those. We were waiting on the inspector. He was here, so actually we might be running up to Tractor Supply Company. Should probably do that. Anyway. All right, so that is our soil sifter build box, soil sifter box build. Let's try that again. So that is our soil sifter box build, and we'll be testing it out here, but and that's a bonus. Let's go do some sifting.
I got a jar of dirt. I got a jar of dirt.
All right, let's see what we get out of this litter. A little bit at a time so we don't make it so heavy that we can't dump it. We're gonna dump it over the bank right there because that needs to be leveled off and add some dirt there anyway. See, the squirrels have been busy with the black walnuts. All right, let's dump this and see what we've got. Frame's holding up. What I do need to do, now that it seems to be working, is add a couple of arms on here. On that dig site, that's what they had were arms. So you could just tip it up and shake it on its feet without actually having to use your muscle to pick it up like I was just doing. But again, we're just testing it at this point. But adding a couple arms will be easy and a good idea. So, what have we got? Let's bring you a little closer to take a look. All right, again, this is just forest litter. You saw me pick it up. But look at all that nice. Nice soil. Where's one of those pans? And here's the pans. They have holes in the bottom so that they can drain. Actually seems to have come out pretty clean. Well, yeah, we should have the soil tested to see what we've got as far as any deficiencies or anything we need to counterbalance. But I don't know. I think I would call that a success. I mean, look at that. Nice black soil. Poke our seeds in there. Throw the seeds in. Throw another cover on there. What do you think? Why don't you comment? I would love to see what the thoughts are out there. Okay. I like what we've got well enough that I'm going to go ahead and put the legs on the side and see if that works. So we want it just a little bit longer than the ground around it. See, the problem, we almost need to have a block out here because this is going to hit the side of the wheelbarrow. Unless we go. Go that way. Got to lose a little bit off the sides, but I don't really think that's going to be a big deal. So let's go. You see, we want it to hit at a bit of an angle, so when we stand it up straight, standing up above the wheelbarrow. And then we can do the hole at the top more towards the middle. I think that would be just fine. We've got a lot of this scrap PVC around, so if I mess one up, so what? I'm just setting it in about an inch to give it some strength so it doesn't just tear it off. But I also need to be able to reach it from the inside to put the screw through, since I don't have any 2.5 inch screws out here. And yes, the other way would be to drill a bigger hole on this side so I can go straight through, but again, I'm not being lazy, but I'm gonna have to run up to the shop or back to the house to get my drill bits to drill a big enough hole for this to fit through and screw in. And this is still kind of an experiment, so we're going to make do. There's one. Uh-oh. Too far. Too far in, I can't reach it. I've got it at an angle so when it's pulled up, it stands up straighter. And about 2 fingers down. Come on. Okay. Theory is still sound. And I'm lining up the grid pattern from the screen itself to see make sure I'm on target for your, so they're even. 2 fingers down. My bit's stripped out. There it is. Now, I can show you what I've been trying to do. So if it works, throw the dirt in here. See, now I don't have to lift. All I have to do is shake, and those feet will hold. I like it. I'm gonna go get a bucket of dirt. Let's try it. Boom, movie magic. We got a bucket of dirt. Now I see where we could have an issue in dumping it, but I think once I have the legs on a little bit better, a little more secure, not testing, it won't be an issue. All right, let's bring it back in closer, see what we've got. Again, I am liking this. comment on it. Give us that thumbs up, subscribe, share us. We'll see you on the next video. We appreciate you. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. God bless. See you on the next one. Bye.